Roll.
All right.
Watch it.
Yeah, it's 125. I rolled a 4.
Big Bird will hand over the gold and
It's
his
a
rifle.
4.
No, I rolled a 4.
Big Bird will hand over his gold and the rifle for a fire damage rifle.
Wait, what'd you say?
Big Bird will hand over his gold and his rifle.
All right, subtract 125 gold.
Enchant my rifle.
What?
Enchant my rifle.
2 enchant. Okay, I'll take your rifle.
I
take your gold too.
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy,
I do the
Jack.
He's
Greg
busy
Walker.
enchanting my rifle.
No.
I walk
you
up
are.
to the counter doing the
I
Greg
put it
walk.
aside, and then because I see all of you guys. All right, what?
I
I
heard
pull my
you
rapier.
enchant melee weapons.
Yes. What do you want?
I pull out my rapier.
I pull no.
Big Bird pulls out his rapier.
Wait, Artine, Greg. No,
Yarn.
Not Big Bird, Greg. Okay, go.
Dagger.
Just one.
Yeah.
What kind of enchantment do you want?
What do you
I
have?
would recommend your rapier, not the dagger.
Rapier.
Rap.
That did change.
Yeah.
No, they both do the same thing.
No, they don't.
Artine, do
Okay.
your
Dagger
rapier.
1d8.
Your dagger's not gonna do
Never
anything.
mind. Take my
Why?
dagger out. Oops, my bad. I meant to pull out the other one.
What enchantments do you want?
What do you
Level
have?
5 damage enchantment.
That would cost like 100 million gold.
Yeah, I'm gonna say only elemental.
I'm gonna say
Only
that's
ele-
BS.
there's-
I'm gonna say
Okay, you
that's
said you
BS.
specialize in melee weapons, so
I'm
you
gonna
don't
say
have
that's
any
BS.
damage enhancements for specific melee weapons.
Greg, Artine,
no.
I did not prepare for this.
You can just say +1 is like 500 gold
I
or
don't care.
something.
Okay.
So you told Greg you give him elemental because you don't specialize in ranged weapons. So if you specialize in melee weapons, do you have any sort of like?
You did not tell Greg. You told
Sorry,
Big Bird.
Big Bird.
Big Bird says you told.
Do you have any damage enhancements specifically for melee weapons, such as the rapier, a common weapon?
So,
Most
yeah.
enchantments started at 150 to above. So
Like, but
they
do I
probably will
say,
not
like-
have enough.
But the enchantments are sort of like the Minecraft ones, like 5 sharpness or whatever. Oh no. Okay.
No. They a fire damage would add a D4 fire damage unless I
I
get
know
a
I'm not
stronger
doing.
fire.
Wait, what are you asking
I wonder
for?
what
Artine?
Big Bird
Level
wants.
3, no, level 5 damage enchantment.
You cannot
What
get.
does that do?
You can't even get level 1.
Yeah, I'm gonna say only elemental. With that.
Level 3.
Nope, you
Do you
can't even
have
get
it in-
level 1. You heard back.
Do you have it in
persuade him.
stock?
You can
Yeah,
persuade
The
I
enchantment started at 150
No.
gold.
it's okay. I have
They
more than
started
that.
at 150.
I have that.
You can persuade him with like mega disadvantage.
How much does a?
Yeah, you can persuade with disadvantage.
Why with disadvantage?
Because it's
Because I told you can't do
an
that.
enchantment that you cannot afford.
Okay, so let's say how much would a level 3 enchantment cost?
You're not getting a level 3
I just want to see how
enchantment.
much it costs relative.
650.
No way.
Could you go down to
Or
100?
is
It's
that
okay.
too? Is that too?
That's way too level 1 is 1,000.
Oh,
Stevie.
okay. Now hold on. Okay, I didn't know that.
No, Ben said it's a 150 or something.
That's for a
Certain
elemental.
enchantments.
That's for
start at
certain
150.
enchantment.
Eight
I'm okay.
plus-
Fine. That's 2,500 gold pieces.
Can I persuade you to
I
bring
don't
it down to
know.
170 gold pieces?
No!
No.
I can't.
If you
That's
fine.
bullshit! no, it's like I asked you to buy something for me at the dollar
It's a
store,
clearance.
and you
It's
get it for a penny.
90% off,
That
guys.
doesn't happen.
Hey, I'm going on a quest.
Master
I'll
Tony's
come back with a lot of
do
money. I'll pay 170
Master
gold now
Tony's
and I'll
do
give you the
wonders.
rest later. Can I persuade you for this?
Roll with disadvantage.
Okay.
Let's
Don't
take
let
it.
him roll.
You got a natural 1.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm
I'm
the
gonna say,
first roll.
huh? No, you broke.
Make it cost more.
How much does a
Make
level
it
1
cost more.
enchantment cost?
Make it cost more.
1,000?
Make it cost more because you got a natural 1. You got a
Oh
natural
yeah.
1.
Okay. As you try to persuade him, be like, how about now? He says, yeah, no. Just because of that, I'm gonna raise it up to 3,000.
Oh.
For
Can I-
everything.
Wait, for a level 1 enchantment to 3,000?
Level 1
No,
enchantment
no,
is
just
normally
for, no.
1,000.
I'm talking about when you try persuading for the level 3 one.
Oh.
Level
What
1
about
enchantments are
one?
normally 1,000.
Level 1, still 1,000.
Hey, buddy, I'd like to make the same deal.
You cannot persuade me.
Yeah, no, you rolled the
Intimidation.
You rolled a natural 1.
No.
Give me the
I'm
sword.
gonna grab him and pull him outside.
I'm gonna
Yeah.
stab him with my rapier.
Okay, I go up to the man.
Big Bird doesn't like your
How do I get
persuasion.
a natural 1 with plus 11?
I go up to the dude.
All right.
Who are you stabbing?
Him.
I go up.
I'm already dragging him away.
Yeah, I'm
No.
stabbing him as you
No,
drag
do
him
not
away.
stab. Greg,
That's a
don't.
24 to hit.
Let's not.
No. All right, you are not
Okay,
stabbing.
I
can
go up
stab
to
him.
him.
Persuasion to
Stab him.
have him not hit me. Don't hit me.
Greg,
walk
put it
up
down
to
his
this
neutral.
square.
All right. Hey.
I walk up to
Greg,
this
you do not. Greg.
I go up to the
I can do
dude.
anything I want in this game. This is role playing. I can stab him.
Wait, what? You're into roleplay?
Yeah, I am.
I walk outside and I
Big
cast
Bird
a
is
spell of
into
disguise
role-
self.
Big
So I
Bird loves
change
roleplay.
Big Bird runs.
To myself, disguise self.
I know. Who are you trying to fool?
Me.
Wait, why?
He's trying to fool the shopkeeper.
Yeah, I come in as a different person.
Oh, hey, I see you change. What,
I'm
no?
standing
What?
outside with you and making sure you don't come in.
Hey, Ben, I got an idea. I want to try
No.
to give me one more chance,
No.
please.
He's not bad.
Pretty pleased with the
Sorry.
chariot.
Martina, are you trying to
I
get
go
back
up
in
to
with
the
that?
dude.
Should I say?
I changed my appearance,
It's not worth
so
it.
I'm a black
You're
man.
gonna need it
You
more.
cannot discriminate.
Let's get a freaking fire damage sword.
I'm not even letting you inside.
I go up to the dude and ask, "Can I enchant my rapier?"
Big Bird would like to know if you're done with my rifle yet.
I tell Big Bird. It's gonna take about.
Oh no, it fell.
No, I'm gonna say
That will
it's gonna,
take, like-
it's gonna
10 seconds. So.
it's gonna take about 2 hours.
Big Bird would like to persuade you to do it faster.
Conor would like to
Roll
persuade
with
him for 3
disadvantage.
minutes.
Why?
Persuasion check for 3 minutes.
13.
Yeah, no.
Big Bird would like to intimidate him.
Hey.
Because Big Bird is so large. And he's a bird.
Yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and
Like
tell
this
you,
guy
this guy is similar to the guy that's in our team.
I guess literally.
Guys, you don't need enchantments. Everything's balanced for our level without